beautiful, beautiful Bellas. It's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with something really, really dope. This is my first time trying a wig from Amazon. I've been seeing a lot of hype about it, so I just want to kind of see for myself what's up. This particular wig, this is 100% Brazilian virgin Remy human hair. It's their deep body wave, and this is from Persephone hair, you guys. It's a natural color, 150% density, and I got the 18 inches. So if you want to order and you want it to look exactly like mine, you want to get the deep body wave, 150% density, 18 inches. And this is the 13x6 lace front wig. I got the medium brown and the medium cap, which is like about 22 to 22 and a half inches in circumference. There is a discount if you click the link that is in the description box. Instead of like Googling trying to find it, you'll automatically get the discount. So make sure you use the link in the description box. And I'm just finna work this wig, y'all. I already went on and tinted it, and I've tinted it a million times, so I didn't want to put you guys to sleep with tinting it again. But this is something new that I'm doing. I am just using hairspray. I'm using the Got To Be Free spray, and I'm spraying it on top of the lace instead of underneath the lace, like on the skin. And I'm using a cool setting, of course, because, we don't want 3rd-degree burns, right? Right. So I'm going to see how this works. If I like this method, I will be using it again. It's very, very easy. This will hold your wig. So don't worry. If you're worried about, will my wig hold? Yes, honey, it will hold. Okay. Now, can you do some deep sea diving with just the hairspray? No. But if you're like me, and after a long day, you're ready to snatch your wig off, this is the perfect method. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to show you how I get these results, and this is right out of the box, the curl pattern, everything. I didn't alter it at all. So how this is, how you see it is how it is. Ladies and gentlemen, I am impressed. So far so good. I was a little nervous with checking out wigs from Amazon, but so far so good. Y'all check out the rest of the process. If you have any questions, let me know. And in the meantime, in between time, I wish you all peace, love, and good light. Bye.